Shower kit installation. Going over the steps of a shower kit install. With Jeremiah Colvin. Jeremiah is here to help us with the steps of a shower replacement. First step is removing the old shower and assessing the framing and subfloor. The subfloor under the shower is rotten, and it needs replaced. Luckily, Jeremiah is ready for it. The subfloor has been repaired. Time to clean up and let the homeowners have their house for the night. Floor and tools are tidy and clean. We will be back tomorrow to install the plumbing, drainage, and base. Day 2 is all about plumbing. New drainage, lines, and all the innards need to be run. The apprentice did this part, while Jeremiah was on another job. The new shower base is also in for the new shower. Tomorrow we'll be installing the walls and doors. This shower kit needs glue to the walls, which means drywall needs to go up. The shower kit walls are glued to the drywall, but first 2 coats of a mildew and mold-resistant primer are applied. It is further protection for the walls. The shower valve is the part that controls the water to the shower head. It goes behind the wall, and is all ready for the shower walls. The shower walls get glued up to the primer. The green tape is to hold them in place while the construction adhesive cures. The middle shelf gets centered on the seam and attached into place. The drop sheet is to protect the base from the adhesive. The door needs assembled before installation. A foldable table in another space helps to make this easier. This is done while the adhesive dries. The doors and glass are attached. In this case, there is trim to finish it off, just like the old shower was. The apprentice installs the shower handle and trim. Everything is caulked as per the instructions. Everything is cleaned up. Once everything is cured properly, the shower is ready to use. Curing is important. Call or email Colvin Plumbing to book your estimate to have your shower replaced properly. 289-448-5115 Colvinplumbing.ca admin@colvinplumbing.ca